welcome to my video here. So I'm going to go over describing how to use, I got two LED matrix panels here joined together, and I just have them joined together and kind of taped, hot glued to cardboard. So I have the ESP32 there, little D1 mini thing. I had to reattach the wires because in trying to put them onto the panel, they kind of broke off, and so I had to resolder those, which is why they're upside down as compared to the other panel. But yeah, everything's hot glued in place, hot glued there, just to make sure that the wires don't accidentally fall off. Everything's hot glued into place onto the cardboard backer, and this is just something I just, threw together real quick because I wanted to have a bigger panel than just one panel. So there it is, the big old panel, and then I'm going to go into settings here to show how to set it up. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have the proper length, which total number of LEDs. So in my case, it's a 8x32 panels, which is 512 LEDs. Make sure you got all the right amperage settings, and then so now we're on to the matrix, and so you have two different panels, and so we have the panel starts at the top left. And it's vertical, and then it's serpentine for this particular panel. And then for the second panel, it starts the way I have orientated just so that they hook together. The next pixel starts at the bottom right, and it's also vertical, also serpentine. And then the next key thing here is the offset. You have to tell it that it's you shift it down by 8 pixels. Otherwise, they'll superimpose on each other, and you won't get any good results. And of course, the dimensions, 8, what the panel dimensions are, 32 wide, 8 tall. And so that's what it looks like, kind of previews it. So the start LED and end LED on there, and the serpentine string. So there you have it.